Faculty can now send final grade information directly from Moodle to the final grading system in Banner. Please note, for grading accuracy, you'll need to have your Moodle gradebook set up to match your syllabus. Go to the gradebook setup to verify your gradebook is looking correct. Also verify that Moodle has the correct percentage to letter grade conversion by going to Letters Edit. Make any necessary adjustments to the percentages and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. To export grades to Banner, from the Gradebooks drop-down menu at the top, scroll down to Export Banner Grades. The Grade Mode drop-down menu features a variety of possible grading methods. Select the desired grade mode. Each row shows a student's current course total in points, percent, and the letter grade Moodle's created based on the percentage of the student's course total. Use the Banner Grade drop-down menu to adjust the final letter grade if necessary. Moodle will pre-populate the possible Banner letter grade based on the letter section of the Moodle gradebook. You must click the Confirm checkbox for each student you want to export. You do not have to do all the students at once. Only students who have the Confirm checkbox will be exported to Banner. You may do the rest of the students later if desired. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to submit the grades to Banner. When the page reloads, any remaining grades that need action will show up on a list. If you submitted all the grades, the page will display empty. You can change the status filter from Needs Action to In Progress, Aired, Complete, or All. After a few minutes, when you come back to this page and reload it, the status of the submitted grades will update to Failed or Succeeded. This message is only in regard to the failure or success of the grade export, and not with the student's individual course grade. If you see a failed grade export, you can correct it by resubmitting the grade. Click the Confirm box next to the respective students, save the changes, and it will reprocess. Your final grades may not immediately appear in Banner. This behavior is expected, and you should allow time for the export to process fully. You may also resubmit changes to already succeeded grades until the end of the day. The grades will roll to Banner every night and then become locked. After grades have rolled to Banner, grade changes cannot be updated from Moodle's grade export. The export screen will return any attempted updates with an error after processing, and that the grade status will report it as locked. To edit that exported grade, you will need to follow the registrar's process to update a final grade in SAIL.